Once you finish today's Cornell notes on conclusion paragraphs, we're going to be digitally annotating the final paragraphs of the dangers of social media. You'll do this in the same way that you did the introduction paragraphs last time and all previous annotations. So in order to find this assignment, we need to go to the literature section under the classwork tab. So we'll open the classwork tab, scroll to the literature section, and we can see our assignment for today. Let's open it. I'm going to click on View Assignment. All right, our objective for today. Students will annotate the structure of the conclusion paragraphs for each essay found in the dangers of social media. I do want to make you aware at this point that when we go to annotate this, both essays have a problem at the start of each of their paragraphs. And I'm going to explain further in a second. In order to do these annotations though, obviously like the other times that you've annotated, study itself is not included on this assignment. So we need to go find that study. It's under the literature section and it's titled Study the Dangers of Social Media. So let's go find that study. We'll go back to the classwork tab, find the literature section, and we see the study is right here. This is the assignment that's due on May 1st. It's 20 points, and when you submit it officially on May 1st, you're going to have made about 4 or 5 different rounds of annotations. Let's open this study. And I'll scroll to where it says View Assignment. And we see that within here, we have our document. This is the dangers of social media. It has both essays in it. This is the copy that I have annotated a few different times. And when we open it, it should be a few different colors from our first round of annotations. And I should see several different comments off to the right for the different annotations I made the second and third time. So now that we have this study open, let's go back to today's assignment. Go back to the classwork tab, find the literature section, and here's today's annotating assignment. I'm going to open it, View Assignment. Okay, so we've opened our copy, and we can move on to item 2. Annotate the structure of the conclusion paragraph for each essay in the study. You should know by now that there's 2 different essays in this study, which means we're going to be annotating 2 different conclusion paragraphs. And as I said earlier, there's a problem with the start of each conclusion paragraph. Obviously, since you've reviewed your notes on the Cornell notes on conclusion paragraphs, we know that it should be in ROB format, R-O-B. It should start with a restated thesis. It should then move into overview of the main points, and it should finish with a bold sentence. I've made a note on here, though, regarding the problem that we have. The start of each conclusion paragraph should be a restated thesis. You should always start your conclusion paragraph with a sentence that says the claim of the essay in a new and interesting way. However, once we go into these essays, you'll see that the restated thesis is missing from each conclusion paragraph. So we're going to end up making a note about that and indicating that the author should have described the main claim of the essay again, which neither of them did. So let's go ahead and start annotating. We'll go to the study. We have our first essay here. This is the point essay. We'll scroll to the last paragraph. That's where we're going to find the conclusion paragraph. Let's read through this final paragraph. It's paragraph 6. When we deny preteens access to social media, we deny them access to support groups, information, and a world of potential friends and learning experiences. It's time for COPPA to be updated to allow preteens to reap the benefits of all that social media has to offer them. The original The original thesis, meaning the original claim, was that preteens should be allowed access to social media. If we go back to this conclusion paragraph, they didn't say it again. They went straight into overview of the main points. So, since we're annotating restated thesis, overview of the main points, bold sentence, in this conclusion, we're just going to highlight the little section right here. The plus sign pops up. Click the plus sign. And what I wanted you to indicate was that this restated thesis is missing. Specifically, restated thesis is missing. Authors should have described the main claim of the essay again. So let's make that note. Restated thesis is missing. Author should have described the main claim of the essay again. If you'd like to pause the video right now and make that annotation on your own copy, feel free to do so. So the conclusion should be in ROB format. R is the restated thesis, which we don't have. The O is overview of main points. So just like the instructions say, we use the mouse to highlight the middle sentence or sentences of the conclusion paragraph. We're going to click the plus sign and make a comment that indicates overview, summarizes the main points of the essay. The author of this essay did do that. They just happened to skip the restated thesis portion. So I've highlighted this sentence. I'm going to make a note by clicking on the plus sign. Overview summarizes the main points of the essay. If you'd like to pause the video and go do that to your essay, feel free. So if the conclusion paragraph is supposed to be in ROB format, R, O, final one is B, that means it should finish with a bold sentence. We're going to highlight the last sentence of the conclusion paragraph, and then we'll use the plus sign to make a comment that indicates bold sentence leaves the readers with something to think about. The author of this essay does do that. So let's highlight the final sentence. It's time for COPPA to be updated to allow preteens to reap the benefits of all that social media has to offer them. We'll click the plus sign and make a note. Bold sentence leaves the readers with something to think about. If you'd like to pause the video now and go do that to your essay, feel free. So we now see that this first essay is basically in OB format. It was missing the restated thesis. We have the same problem in the second essay. So we're going to make the same notes on the second essay. So let's scroll to the last paragraph of the second essay. We're going to make the same notes regarding the restated thesis, the fact that it's missing. Then we'll make a note that that first part of the conclusion paragraph provides overview of the main points. And then we'll make a note that the final sentence is a bold sentence and that it leaves the readers with something to think about. All right, so we have our final paragraph of the second essay. Social media has become a mainstay in our society, and it doesn't look as if it's going away anytime soon. Once children turn 13, they will have their entire lives to use social media, so there's no reason to rush it. When the risks are so great, why not be patient? So as I said earlier, this one is also basically in OB format. It's missing the restated thesis. So let's just highlight a little section here, make a plus sign, restated thesis is missing. Author should have described the main claim of the essay again. They did not do that. And I'll click comment. If you'd like to pause the video and go do that to your essay copy, feel free. All right. The first and second sentences are where this author provides overview of the main points of their essay. So in Rob format, the O is for overview. So I'll highlight the first and second sentences, click the plus sign, and I'll make a note. Overview of main points in essay. If you'd like to pause the video and go do this to your essay copy, feel free. All right, this final sentence is its bold sentence. It's leaving the readers with something to think about. Sometimes people connect it back to the hook in some way, and sometimes they pose a question like this essay author did. So I've highlighted this final sentence. I'm going to click the plus sign and make a note. Bold sentence leaves the readers with something to think about. And I'll make that comment. If you'd like to go make this annotation to your essay copy, feel free. Okay, so we have made the annotations for today. We've made a note regarding the restated thesis, the fact that it's missing from both these essays. We've made a note about the overview of the main points, and we've made a note about the final bold sentence. Now that we're done, we are not going to click Turn In. We still have one more round of annotations that we're going to do. We're simply going to exit out of it. So let's exit. Do not click this. Click Exit. And then we need to mark this assignment as done. So we'll click Mark as Done.